Hello, my name is Paul Urvoas. I'm a USBL Product Manager at Exail. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a broken hydrophone on a Gaps USBL system. It will be applicable for Gaps M5, M7 and the newcomer Gaps M3. But first, let me remind you what is a Gaps. So Gaps is a pre-calibrated USBL system integrating an acoustic array and a fiber optic gyroscope in the same mechanical housing. The acoustic array has hydrophone mounted on different size of legs, and then it can perform in shallow water and deep water operation with a 200-degree acoustic aperture. Because of Gaps' incredible performance and ease of use, it is commonly used in shallow water and very often deployed from vessel of opportunity using side pole, using crane or rope. And then it is more exposed to impact and damage on the deck or on the quay, for instance. On a Gaps USBL system, the most exposed part is the hydrophones at the bottom of the leg. So it is very, very practical and useful to be able to quickly replace a broken hydrophone on the field. An hydrophone must be replaced if it is obviously broken or bent, or if the Gaps WebMMI show you a noise level difference by 6 dB or more compared to the other hydrophone. If the positioning is inconsistent, or if you are not sure that an hydrophone has been damaged or not, you can contact Exail's support team. Spare hydrophone kits and spare legs are available from your local sales team. You will find the reference in the description of this video. So now let's focus on this package. In this box, there is everything to replace an hydrophone on a Gaps. The spare hydrophone kit is composed of the spare hydrophone with its protection, a 4mm Allen key, 2 circlips, 3 spare screws, tools to insert and to extract the hydrophones from the leg, a tube of grease, a tube of glue, and a USB stick containing all the documentation and procedures. In addition to the spare hydrophone kit, you will need 2 terminal drivers and ideally a 3 Nm torque wrench. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to replace an hydrophone on a Gaps M5. So the first step is to remove the circlip around the base of the hydrophone. The second step is to unbolt the 3 bolts at the base of the leg. You can use the 4mm Allen key provided in the package or another Allen key. Now you pull up gently but firmly to the top. We can see the cable from the hydrophone connected to the Gaps head. So now you disconnect the connector. So now to extract the broken hydrophone from the leg, you have to use this tool. You put the hydrophone in the tool and you can pull on the workbench. Like this. So now let's mount the new hydrophone in the Gaps leg. So take the new hydrophone. You have to make sure there is some grease on the O-ring. If not, you have to put some grease with the Molykote 33 provided in the kit. You put some grease on your finger and you apply on the 3 O-ring. Then you take this tool and you put the cable in the tool, and you insert the hydrophone in the leg. You can push on the tool on the table to insert the hydrophone in the leg. Then you can directly readjust the circlip on the hydrophone. You put the circlip in the grooves, and after you can reconnect So then you can reuse the 3 screws dismounted previously, or you can use the new one. Use the Bostik glue and put just a little of glue on each screws. Put the screws on the hole and rebolt the leg finger tight first. The 3 bolts. And to finish, you have to torque the 3 bolts with a 3 Newton-meter torque. So as you see, changing an hydrophone on a gaps is really easy and it takes only a few minutes. After replacing 1 or more hydrophones, system should be ideally recalibrated, but for many operations it may be not needed. I explain. Gaps M5 optimal accuracy is 0.2% of the slant range in vertical condition and 0.5% in horizontal condition. Not recalibrating the system will provide an overall accuracy of 0.5% of the slant range, and this is often within operational requirements for shallow water operation. Not recalibrating will affect this section, but we find most of shallow water application in this section. The user can do a recalibration as they would do with any other USBL transceiver with a series of trajectory around a subsea beacon. The procedure is provided in the user manual pack with all gap system, but of course we can do this as a service. You can get in contact with Exail support team. If you want to learn more about positioning and navigation solution from Exail, please visit our website and look at our hands-on video collection on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and see you soon.